beautiful. Isn't she precious? Less than won't mean it all. I never thought that love can be making one as lovely as she. Isn't she lovely, made from glass? Isn't she pretty? Truly an angel's best. Isn't she lovely? We have been heaven blessed. I can't believe what God has done through us giving life to one. Isn't she lovely?